Next topology is star topology. The star topology is a one type of the network topology. Here we can define the star topology as each device of the network is connected to the central node. That node is called as a switch or hub. This type of the topology is called as star topology. It means that in the diagram we showed there is a one machine. To this machine all other machines are connected, and the central machine is called as a switch or hub, and remaining other devices are connected to this central hub. This type of the topology is called as star topology. Here the entire data transfer between the network, that is entirely depending on the hub or switch, and the advantages of the star topology are, the first one is the star topology is user friendly. The first one is the star topology is user friendly. It means that here without affecting the rest of the network. For example, in this network there are 4 machines are connected to the central hub. So if one device gets failed, for example this device is not performing, so instead of affecting these devices we can remove this one. So for that reason we can say it as this star topology as user friendly. It means without affecting the rest of the network. This without affecting the rest of the network, here the new node can be added easily. It means this machine get failed, then these 3 machines are not affected, and by not knowing to these 3 machines we can remove the affected machine. For that reason we said star topology is user friendly. And the second one is centralized network. It means that the network is monitored with the help of centralized management system using the hub or a switch. Here already we said in the definition, this central network, that is central device, we called it as a hub or a switch, and the entire network, whatever the transmission takes place between the entire network, that entire network communication is monitored by the central hub. For that reason we can say it as a centralized network. And the third one is the star topology is very reliable. It means when a device or a cable fails in the star topology, if any device or any cable fails, then other devices which are connected to the network will work. It means if this machine or any one of the cable fails, then the remaining network will not be stopped working. For that reason we said the star topology is very reliable. And the fourth advantage is it is highly efficient. It means that here all the devices are connected to the central hub with a separate cable. For that reason there is lower chances of collision between the data. For that reason we said it is highly efficient. And the fifth one is it is easily manageable. It means that if any one of the machine or any of the cable get fails, then we can easily detect the fault, where the fault is, which machine is not working, which cable get damaged, that we can easily detect. For that reason we said it is easily manageable. And the disadvantages of the star topology is, the first one is high cost. So the star topology, it needs the central hub or a switch. The implementation of this hub or a switch is very costly. For that reason we said that star topology is high cost. And the second one is central device dependency. We already know that everything in the star topology is depending on the central hub or a switch. For that reason, if the hub get fail or the performance of the hub is getting low, or if there is any damage in the hub, then the entire network will fail. For that reason, the second advantage is central device dependency. It means that the entire network is depending on the hub, and there is any fault in the hub, then entire network will go down. For that reason, here the second disadvantage. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of the star topology. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.